Hello students, hopefully this will make some sense for what I expect you to do today. First off, you're going to open up the version 1 parachute model slides original. This should be what you worked on before, either earlier today or yesterday. When you open this model up or open these slides up, what you're going to do is you're going to go through and look at everybody's model. And what I want you to do is pick one of the models to comment on. Now your version may look a little different if you're in a different class, but I want you to find a model that has something that your model doesn't have. And I want you to comment on it. Or I want you to find a model that has something you like, and I want you to comment on it. And the way you'll do that is you click on the slide, hit Control-Alt-M, and that will allow you to make a comment. Once you made the comment, click the comment button there in yellow, and then it will be posted on that slide. I want you to comment something positive that you like about their slide, and possibly something that you feel that you could add to your slide. I want you to do this to 2 different slides, and if possible, make sure the second one you choose is one that doesn't already have a comment. Say something you like about it. Okay, so you're going to do this for 2 different slides. After you have commented on 2 different slides, I want you to go through each of the slides for your class. I want you to take a few seconds to look at them carefully and take note about the things that they have that your slide does not, that you could use to improve your model of a parachute and how a parachute works. You'll notice there are a lot of different ways to make a parachute. And also, there are lots of ways to describe how a parachute works. So you want to think of ways to improve what you made by either having descriptions or more arrows or more whatever to make your parachute better. Once you've gone through all the slides and figured out a way to make your parachute better, go back to Classroom. I want you to reopen your model, from the Make a Model How a Parachute Works assignment. And I want you to redesign your model and make it better. So whatever you're going to add to your model, go ahead and do so based on the ideas you've seen from other people's models. And you're going to improve your model. Once you have finished making your improvements, I want you to save your model. So you're going to go to File, then go to Download, then JPEG. And that will save your model. After you've done that, you're going to go back to Classroom and you're going to open up version 2 of the first period or whatever period you're in, parachute model. When you open up version 2, you're going to notice that each slide has a slide underneath it. So here's the first slide. If I go down one, you'll see it says version 2. So you're going to find your slide and go to the one right underneath it, put in your name, and then add your model, your new one, your revised one. So you click on here, you go to File, oops, wrong one. Go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and upload your new model. Okay, and it should, on your Chromebooks, it should be the one at the very top. Just like when you put these in, but this is going to be your second model. So now you'll have 2 models right next to each other. Okay, if this didn't make sense, watch the video again or backtrack a little bit to do that. Now I suggest pausing after each of the instructions I give you. So number 1, you're going to go look at all the slides from your group, from your class. Make a comment on 2 different slides by hitting Control-Alt-M, and that will pop up the comment box. Pause it and do that part. So after you comment on 2 different slides, start the video again. Then you're going to go through each slide and see what you like about it and how you can make your model better. So pause it, go through each slide from your class, see what you like, and see how you can make yours better. Remember, you're trying to explain how a parachute works, not just show a parachute. So pause it and do that. Then come back and go to your original model and fix your model or make it better. So pause the video and make it better. After you've made it better, you're going to make a copy or save it, download JPEG. So File, Download JPEG, and then you're going to go back to then you're going to go to Classroom, go to the New Models for the version 2, open that up, and add your model underneath your previous one. If there's not a slide there, then just make one, click underneath, and hit the plus symbol, and that will put in a new slide for you to put your name and your new model on it. All right, hope this makes sense. Good luck, and we'll talk to you later.